In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Miro board. Duplicating a board is a quick way to create a fresh version of an existing project without rebuilding everything from scratch. It's great for reusing layouts, preserving a snapshot of your work, or creating templates your team can iterate on. First, head to your Miro dashboard. This is the home screen you see after signing in, where all your boards are listed. If you're already inside a board, use the navigation to return to the dashboard so you can see the full list. Take a second to locate the board you want to copy. It helps to glance at the thumbnails and titles to make sure you're selecting the right one, especially if you have several boards with similar names. Next, hover your mouse over the board you want to duplicate. You'll see a small menu button with 3 dots appear, often labeled More Actions. Click that and then choose Duplicate from the menu. Miro will create a full copy of the board, including your frames, sticky notes, shapes, images, and most content you've placed on the canvas. If you don't see the duplicate option, it can be due to permissions set by the board owner or your team settings. In that case, you may need view access with copy allowed, or you can ask the owner to enable copying. Otherwise, for boards you own or have the right access to, the duplicate will be created instantly. A new copy of the board will appear on your dashboard. By default, it typically carries over the original name with something like copy appended. If your dashboard is busy, take a moment to sort or search to confirm you're looking at the newest duplicate. A quick refresh can also help if it doesn't show up right away. Now, give the duplicated board a clear, specific name so it's easy to recognize later. You can rename it directly from the dashboard or after opening it. Consider adding a date, version number, or purpose in the title so your team knows exactly what this copy is for. Then open the duplicated board to start editing. Everything you change here will be independent of the original, so you can experiment freely without worrying about overwriting previous work. This is perfect for testing new ideas, preparing a client-ready version, or standardizing a layout for repeat use. And that's it. You've duplicated your Miro board, confirmed the copy, renamed it, and opened it to begin editing with confidence.